my daughter checked the video, she came to know it was a big, heavy, big male cheetah who's come here. And he came from this way, like this. He went there, and there he waited for a few seconds. And as soon as my female dog came down to chase him, he caught her and he ran the same way. It is just a flick, you can say, just within a minute he did this work and he went. So we are very worried that if this thing can happen to my dog in daylight, like, so tomorrow it can attack us also, because we are always moving in and out of this house.
एक व्हडलो बिट्टो वाघ हे सायडीनसून असो येयला, जंगलांसून वयसून असो हे वाटेन येयला आनी असो गेलो तांच्या थंयसर बॅल्कनी कडेन आनी थंयसर असो पारो करून रावला. तांचे सुणे थंयसर बॅल्कनीन बसतात. पारो करून रावला. 1 मिनीट तो बसलो थंयसर, सारकें दिसती पडटा फुटेजीचेर. तो बसलो थंयसर आनी 1 मिनटा सुमार ताणें तांच्या सुण्याक धरलो आनी घेवन पावलो. आनी येयल्लो पळय ते वाटेनूच लायक असो पळयलो. थंय सारकें CCTVचे हेचेर फुटेजीचेर कॅप्चर जाला. आमच्या भुरग्यांक, आमच्या फॅमिलींक, आमच्या इवन आमच्या जानवरांक. सो हांव मागता आमच्या ऑथॉरिटीजा कडेन की हांगासर येवन पळोवचें आनी कितें मातशें एक्शन कितें जातालें घेवचें.